Imagine a world where AI tools are not just part of sci-fi movies, but an integral part of our daily lives and industries. What would that look like? Look no further, because we're living in that world right now. AI tools are increasingly making their presence felt across various sectors, transforming the way we live and work. And at the forefront of this AI revolution is a tool called ChatGPT. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT is capable of understanding and responding to human language in a way that is remarkably human-like. From handling customer service inquiries to assisting healthcare professionals, to generating creative content, and even managing financial portfolios, ChatGPT is proving to be a game changer across the board, and we're only just scratching the surface of its potential. Now let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of ChatGPT and explore its potential across different sectors. First stop, customer service. How can ChatGPT transform this industry? Imagine a world where your queries are instantly answered, where solutions are tailored to your unique needs, and where you're never left waiting on hold. That's precisely the world ChatGPT is creating. ChatGPT, equipped with advanced natural language processing capabilities, is revolutionizing the way customer service operates. This AI tool can understand and respond to customer queries with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. It's like having your personal customer service representative ready to assist you around the clock. Remember those times when you found yourself stuck in a loop of automated responses, desperately trying to reach a human representative? With ChatGPT, those frustrating experiences are becoming a thing of the past. This AI tool can understand the nuances of human language, allowing it to provide relevant and personalized responses. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter answers. But that's not all. ChatGPT can handle multiple customer queries simultaneously, dramatically reducing wait times. It can also learn from past interactions, continuously improving its responses and solutions. This means that the more you interact with it, the better it gets at assisting you. Beyond simply answering queries, ChatGPT can also guide customers through troubleshooting processes, recommend products or services based on individual needs, and even handle complaints with tact and professionalism. This level of personalized customer service was previously unheard of, but with ChatGPT, it's becoming the norm. So, ChatGPT is reshaping customer service, but its capabilities extend far beyond this sector. It's not just transforming how companies interact with their customers, it's also changing how businesses operate, making them more efficient, responsive, and customer-centric. It's clear that ChatGPT is not just an AI tool, it's a game changer. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT and its awe-inspiring capabilities in our next segment. Now, let's journey into the realm of healthcare. How is ChatGPT making a difference here? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence assists in health diagnosis. Sounds like a sci-fi movie? Well, not anymore. ChatGPT is making this a reality. By leveraging its advanced natural language processing abilities and machine learning, it's capable of analyzing vast amounts of medical data in a blink. ChatGPT is not just a data cruncher. It's a tool that learns and understands medical terminology, symptoms, diseases, and treatments. It doesn't just read data, but it comprehends it, allowing it to provide potential diagnoses based on the information it has absorbed. This could be a game changer in places with limited access to healthcare or where there's a shortage of medical professionals. But it never stops there. ChatGPT goes a step further. It can assist healthcare professionals by offering a second opinion. Doctors often deal with complex cases where a different perspective can be crucial. ChatGPT can provide that perspective based on its understanding of a vast array of medical literature and data. This could potentially lead to more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist in patient care. Imagine a patient having a conversation with ChatGPT about their symptoms. Not only can ChatGPT understand and respond appropriately, but it can also provide potential recommendations that the patient can discuss with their healthcare provider. ChatGPT also has the potential to handle administrative tasks, freeing up healthcare professionals to spend more time with their patients. It can schedule appointments, send reminders, and even provide patients with follow-up care instructions. Clearly, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless, and we are just witnessing the beginning of what could be a transformative era in healthcare, powered by artificial intelligence and tools like ChatGPT. Next, we enter the world of content creation. Can AI really be creative? A question that often sparks debates. Well, let's see what ChatGPT has to say about that. ChatGPT, with its advanced language processing abilities, is leaving an indelible mark on the domain of content creation. It's not just about crafting grammatically correct sentences, but it's about generating creative ideas, writing engaging articles, and even composing music. Yes, you heard that right, composing music. In the realm of creative writing, ChatGPT is empowering writers by providing them with a unique platform for brainstorming. Whether you're wrestling with writer's block or simply looking for fresh ideas, ChatGPT can be your muse, offering a plethora of creative suggestions. It's like having a co-writer that never runs out of ideas. But what about journalism? Well, ChatGPT is proving to be an invaluable tool here as well. It can draft engaging articles, summarize complex reports, and even simulate writing styles. With ChatGPT, journalists can focus more on in-depth research and less on the monotonous task of writing. And when it comes to music, ChatGPT is not just hitting the right notes, but composing entire symphonies. By analyzing patterns and structures in music, ChatGPT can generate original compositions, offering fresh melodies to musicians and composers. It's like having a personal orchestra at your fingertips. This is not to say that ChatGPT is replacing human creativity. Far from it. Instead, it's enhancing it, providing creators with a powerful tool to explore new realms of imagination. It's like a creative partnership between humans and AI, where each brings their unique strengths to the table. From customer service to healthcare and now content creation, ChatGPT is proving to be a versatile tool. It's not just reshaping industries, but redefining the very essence of creativity. It's an AI revolution that we're all a part of, whether we realize it or not. With ChatGPT, the future of content creation is not just promising, it's exciting. Moving on to the financial industry, how can ChatGPT empower financial experts? Just as it has revolutionized customer service, healthcare, and content creation, ChatGPT is having a profound impact on the financial sector. Imagine being able to predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy. ChatGPT, with its advanced machine learning capabilities, can analyze vast amounts of financial data, spot patterns, and make predictions about future market movements. This can help investors and financial advisors make informed decisions, reducing risk and potentially increasing returns. But the power of ChatGPT doesn't stop at predicting market trends. It can also evaluate investment opportunities. By analyzing company profiles, market conditions, and financial reports, ChatGPT can provide insights into the potential risks and rewards of different investment options. This allows financial experts to make more strategic decisions, aligning their investments with their financial goals and risk tolerance. In addition to predicting market trends and evaluating investment opportunities, ChatGPT can even manage portfolios. It can monitor a portfolio's performance, suggest adjustments based on market conditions, and even execute trades. This can save financial experts a significant amount of time and effort, allowing them to focus on strategic planning and client relationships. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of ChatGPT, it becomes clear that this AI tool is not just a useful addition to the financial industry, it's a game changer. By offering predictive insights, strategic investment evaluations, and efficient portfolio management, ChatGPT is empowering financial experts like never before. This is just a glimpse into the potential of ChatGPT in the financial industry. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments in the future. As we see, ChatGPT is not just a tool, but a game changer across various industries. Its impact on the financial industry is just one example of how AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. In our journey today, we've seen the immense power and potential of ChatGPT across different sectors. As we've explored, the realm of customer service has been transformed by ChatGPT's ability to offer instant responses and personalized solutions, making the customer experience more efficient and satisfying. The healthcare sector, too, has been significantly impacted, with ChatGPT's advanced data analysis capabilities providing accurate diagnoses and assisting healthcare professionals in delivering better and faster patient care. This AI tool is not just assisting, it's saving lives. In the creative world, ChatGPT is pushing the boundaries of human imagination. From generating innovative ideas to writing engaging articles and composing music, it's proving to be an indispensable ally for artists and creators. The financial industry is another area where ChatGPT is making a substantial difference. By predicting market trends, evaluating investment opportunities, and managing portfolios, it's empowering financial experts to make informed decisions and maximize profits. And the potential of ChatGPT doesn't stop there. Its influence extends to education, research, disaster response, and manufacturing automation, truly reshaping industries across the globe. As we've seen, ChatGPT is more than just an AI tool. It's a game changer, a revolution in progress. Its wide-ranging impact across diverse sectors is a testament to the transformative power of AI. It's reshaping our world, making it more efficient, more creative, and more responsive to our needs. With AI tools like ChatGPT, we are indeed witnessing a revolution. This journey into the fascinating world of AI has only just begun, and there's so much more to discover and explore. So stay tuned and subscribe with us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI.